Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy, Shark! Not Milk, but Shark, because I'm wearing a shark onesie. It looks very epic. But wait, what's that? You want to look like a shark too, with your very own shark onesie, and you don't have the Bobucks to buy the entire outfit from a different creator. I didn't make this, by the way. The point of this advertisement is, let me go to my group quickly. Brand new merch. Yeah, limited time merch. There's a shark onesie right here. I think the image got content deleted, but I'll try and fix that. Yeah, and there's a sale on a brand new shirt I uploaded called the Angry Shark. It's gonna go on sale for like 10 Robux or something, but it has a sale for like a day/week. So yeah, get it for 2 Robux while you still can, because that's a pretty good deal on an interesting t-shirt. And I do have another shirt coming soon, and someone actually bought my shirt. Oh, that's funny. Oh, maybe that's why I have some more Robux. Oh, okay. That explains that. But yeah. Buy my merch! And I recommend not to buy this. This is just seeing if any noobs would fall for that scam. They'd be like, oh my gosh, I got my premium payout. Let's go. What do I buy with it? And then they're like, oh my god, what is this? Emergency meeting from the popular game Among Us. I love this game. I'm buying it. Yeah, when you could literally just like take a screenshot of an emergency meeting thing on the internet and then upload it to your account. It's a t-shirt. Alright? And yeah, this is gonna go off sale like after today's over. And I spent 10 Robux to get this shirt up. Okay? I think they recently changed it, like just yesterday, or like just today, that you have to pay 10 Robux to upload the t-shirt, because yesterday I didn't have to pay them, so now I lost 20 Robux by uploading these 2 shirts. So just like there's a sale on this, so can a lot of you please buy this? Also, yeah, I'm taking this off sale in like a few hours. So yeah, there's 2 limited time things you should probably go buy. Yeah, if they have a limited time on the title, then you should probably just go buy them, because they're going off sale, and they're for a pretty cheap price, like 10 to 20 Robux. It's not that much. Please support me. I need this limited item. Please. Thank you. Anyways, back to the video. If I die in Roblox Bedwars, the video ends. Yeah. So I'm gonna go run over here. I'm gonna go to solos and hope I don't die. What's this? He wants me to join his party. Okay. That noob. Got it. What does this guy want? Well, I've got to like get on with this video, so bye. If you're watching this, you're a big fan. Just kidding. Hopefully you didn't hear that. Come on, start it. He scares me. Yeah, his avatar is so weird. Oh my gosh, someone in the server has the antlers, and someone in the server has the boombox. Stop flexing, oh my gosh. I want those 2 items. I can't get the antlers because they're not available anymore, because I want the mana shades. I want the mana shades, yeah, English. So yeah, you want to look like a shark onesie, buy a 20 Robux shark onesie shirt. That probably is content deleted. No, I'll try and fix it, but like, yeah, until then, look, support please. Yeah, so I can't really like die, so I need to get my staff as soon as possible, or yeah, I need to get diamonds to get enough blocks to do that. And red's not a base, like it is, but like no one's at red, so I'm not gonna try rushing them because they'd be dead already by now. By the way, falling off into the void I don't think would count. I mean, it says killed by the void, but like, still. I don't really think that would count. And it's not like destroy your bed and the video ends. It's if you die. Okay? So, I need to get these emeralds. Because I need the staff. I only need 3 emeralds. Okay, that's all I ask for. This video is probably going to be like 1 minute long. Well, besides the advertisement, but come on. Give me the emeralds. I need one more. I need one more emerald. One more emerald. If I can just get one more emerald, my day will be saved. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I got 3 emeralds. Now I just need to get back to my base and hopefully they didn't destroy my bed. I mean, either way, I just only have to die once and the video ends. Okay, yeah, we'll go like over here, and then we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna, yeah, keep going with that. Staff, wizard staff, purchased, and then we have team gen. Yes, okay, good. We have our staff. We have our OP staff. Now, what I'm going to do is I don't care about a bed fence, okay? Oh my gosh, I can get like armor and stuff. Yeah, that's a good idea. Because I don't want to die. I have a staff to defend myself. Because it has some pretty cool powers. In case you didn't see my video where I showcased it. It's pretty OP. It has a lightning strike ability. Or I can do this. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, that's not the best. No, please, no. Yeah, I'm so dead. Why?